yesterday. The whole ferry system seems very efficient.
It is. All the ferries are coming here, so.
You gotta teach me how to do a wheelie by the end of the day. I used to be able to do it.
I'll show you. I'll show you now, look. Whoa. So we will ride these stairs later on.
Fun.
Looking at my heart rate, and you know zone 2 we talk about?
Yeah.
Like if you really want to work zone 2, just get on these. Keep your heart rate nice and low, but elevate it a little bit.
What are you at now? Like 125?
101.
101.
Wait until we hit the trails.
I'm just saying, I know.
So here we have a nice view on a port. You can come here. Try to climb the stairs. Next time lower your saddle, it's also going to be easier. When you have a longer set of stairs especially.
Oh, look at our boat.
Now you don't have the biggest boat in the port.
Go.
Okay, now we go here, we'll just walk the bikes past the gate and then we start the climb. But you just need to ride them differently, you know?
No, I got you.
Ride trails up. When I come here with e-bikes, I never climb here, for example.
What?
I just hit some trails and I ride trails up.
Ivo,
Yeah,
we need to be back latest.
I know.
They put us back, they're maneuverable.
They are. You'll see now on the downhills, they're almost like the normal bike. Really close. They're better actually for the downhill than these ones. But I like the engine here way more. Okay, now we can ride one short trail before we go to top, just to warm up a bit, to get used on the bikes. And then we will climb the same trail up. Maybe for some of you it's going to be challenging, but when you come there I will tell you in which position you need to ride, in which position you need to be. And then I think you will climb probably 95% of this trail. So just to see what these bikes can do.
What do you recommend using going downhill?
Don't go in boost for
Turn
sure.
it off, or?
No, just put it in eco or trail.
Okay.
And when you're pedaling, don't pedal too hard because you need to think that it will give you 2 or 3 times more power.
Do you have the camera?
Nice line. We'll have some stairs at the end, but you can avoid them if you go left from the stairs. Woo!
Great job, buddy.
Especially you're actually as good as us.
Really good.
Seriously.
Are you ready for something, let's say, a little bit more technical, but not long like this?
Evo,
Yeah.
can I get a squirt of water? I don't have
Yeah,
water.
sure.
Thanks. Just a little squirt.
And then we connect to one easier one and really long one.
Now let's do the techie.
You want more?
I'm good.
So now it's a bit more techy one, not that long. And then we'll have a short climb and we have one really long trail all the way to the end of the peninsula.
He's going, then you're going.
Are you guys in eco mode?
Yeah.
Watch out, watch out. Okay, the exit is kinda challenging, so be careful. If you're not sure, just stop and walk your bike. Bravo. Bravo. Woo! Okay, now we have a nice one, way easier than the previous. It's going to be way wider, so you can choose your line. There will be also one part, short climb, short technical climb, narrow one, quite soon. And then we'll have just like long downhill. At the end we'll have a set of stairs, so just be careful. Whoop!
Damn.
You had a couple of good saves today. Okay, downhill starts from here.
You want to go in front of me?
No, just go. And try to have some more speed over big rocks, to have some momentum. If you go too slow, then it stops you. You don't need to
I want to
lift.
watch your line.
You don't need to lift your handlebar that much. These bikes can just roll over everything. You just need to pedal, have some speed, have some momentum.
Okay.
You can try to follow me. Now we have this set of stairs. Be careful. Whoop, whoop. Now stop, bus is coming. Watch out. You need to have a little bit more speed.
But I didn't.
You did, yeah. Bravo! I won't even ask you if you like this one. I saw you liked it. You were flying.
Was that going
Yeah.
fast? Yeah, I felt like I was going
You were really comfortable.
Yeah, I was super comfortable. And once you get to know them, then
Exactly.
it's okay.
Yeah.
But all,
What do you think about the bike?
I mean, these things can handle anything.
Yeah, but
It's a lot more plush going downhill.
exactly, it's like planted. Change couple of gears, now we'll have a steep climb left. Pedal hard, whoop. Left up, climb, pedal hard. Bravo, nice.
Almost.
Bravo. Left up, climb, pedal hard. Bravo. Short climb, pedal hard. Lower your saddle. Bravo. Same, straight or left, it doesn't matter. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Bravo. We'll have one more now, really steep one, keep some distance, Greg. Lower your saddle and pedal hard, change couple of gears. Just roll this one, it's easy. Bravo. there you can actually see the balcony where we were. There's the viewpoint, so we climb to there. Then we have the same uphill. And be careful, these stairs can be like slippery in the middle.
Are you on trail or a power?
I'm in boost.
Nice.
Try to sit more on the, otherwise you'll lose grip. You don't have the weight on the rear wheel. SPD. SPD pedals.
You okay? That's the pedal.
Yes, I saw it. You good?
Yeah.
Bravo, nice. Whoa, no, go back.
How did you get to the walk mode?
You hold minus, press it, hold it, and something like this. I don't know, actually. I never use it. Okay, now we have the same climb, if you remember it, to the top, and then we hit the stairs, which are on another side. And which e-bike you had before?
Specialized Turbo Levo.
So something like this, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't brake on the stairs, brake only when on the flat. Bravo.
Yeah, baby. Woo! Rested. Woo! That was good.
So we confirm leaving 11:20.
11:20, yeah.
That's
Okay.
an hour. Yeah. 10:20.
Let's go. Another trail.
Sorry, I didn't know where to go.
Yeah, that's all good.
Yeah, that was great.
I was like, wow, Preston, you're right on my tail. Preston, I thought it was you on my tail. I'm like, Jesus, you're like fucking right on my ass.
Woohoo! Woo!
It was so fun. Cheers, guys.
Honestly, you did great.
Hello!